Hey guys, Mark Lacey here from ARB Coopers Plains. We are here to tell you about some exciting things happening. So on Saturday the 25th, we've got our grand opening celebration to celebrate the brand new flagship store. Now, not only is it our flagship celebration, but it's our 18th birthday. Can you believe we've been here 18 years? I'm here with Matt Swift from ARB Corporation. Swifty's going to join us on the day. We've got all sorts of exciting things happening. Mate, tell us about a few of them.
Mate, well, you were telling me that the Trip Trak is going to be open for air locker demos all day.
Yep.
We're going to have Matty Bakes from Explore joining us for a couple of hours.
Yep.
We've got a jumping castle. We've got a free sausage sizzle, and you were talking about a $5,000 giveaway for a bill.
Mate. You've only got to spend, for every $5,000 you spend on the day, you go in the draw to win $5,000 off your bill. It's insane. For every $5,000 you spend, you go in the draw to win $5,000 off your bill.
Come down, guys. It's going to be a cracker of a day. We can't wait to see you there.
Awesome, guys. 25th Saturday. See you there.